So hey friends, I tried to do that live stream early and failed dismally. I don't know what I did wrong, but Frugal RV Gal says she's going to give me a personal lesson, so next time I try that, hopefully it will work. But anyway, I wanted to touch base just real quick on the t-shirt orders and how you can get yours. If you want to order one and have me bring it to you at the meetup, the best way to do that is to send a check or money order to my P.O. box. Just leave the pay to blank and I'll put my name in it. Send it to Lost on Land again, P.O. Box 14237, Arlington, Texas 76094. If you want me to mail you a t-shirt, I can do that too. Make sure that you give me your name and a good address and I will mail it to you. So prices of the shirts. If you want one of these, like the one I've got on, this is one of the thinner style t-shirts. I like these because I'm here in North Texas and it's my favorite kind of shirt. These are 10 bucks. If you want the thicker 100% cotton, you know, thick t-shirts, those are 15 bucks. And I just kind of rounded these t-shirts so it would just be an easy number. They say that they do a $2 upcharge if it's a larger than 2XL shirt. And like I said, if you want me to mail you a shirt, just add 5 bucks and that'll cover postage and handling. Also, I was looking and they have coffee mugs that we can get. A little 11-ounce coffee mug is 13 bucks. A bigger 15-ounce coffee mug is 17 bucks. And We Tree Bonsai has donated some Death Wish coffee, I believe it is. So, yeah, you might want a coffee cup for that. But anyway, again, if you want to order t-shirts, please feel free. If you have any questions, comment below, drop me an email. All of my contact information will be in the comments below. So if you're wondering what in the world these t-shirts are, Blind Views drew the art for. It's Lolapalooza 2019. It's just a gathering of awesome people at Cooper Lake State Park, South Sulphur Unit, October 24th through the 27th. So looking forward to seeing you there.
Hey guys, it's Papa Texas. I'm gonna be there. You should be too. Bye.
See ya!